If you're juggling a multi-cat household like I am, you know that the litter box is basically a full-time job. I've been using this extra-large self-cleaning litter box for a while now, and I can honestly tell you it's been one of the best upgrades I've ever made for my home. Before this, I felt like I was constantly scooping just to keep up with the mess and the smell, but this automatic system has completely taken that burden off my plate. The first thing I noticed was the sheer size. This is a true extra-large unit, which is a lifesaver if you have bigger cats or multiple feline roommates. My cats don't feel cramped at all, they have plenty of room to turn around and get comfortable. Despite its large capacity, it's remarkably quiet. I was worried the noise might scare the cats or keep me up at night, but it's so low profile that I barely even notice when it's running a cycle. The odor control on this model is where it really shines for me. It's designed to seal away waste immediately, which has made a massive difference in the air quality of my laundry room. I also love the flexibility of having both app and panel controls. Whether I'm sitting on the couch and want to check the status on my phone or I'm standing right in front of it, managing the cleaning cycles is incredibly simple. It even tracks how often the cats are using it, which gives me some great insight into their habits. Maintenance is surprisingly easy, too. The waste disposal process is straightforward and doesn't require me to get my hands dirty. It's just a quick bag swap, and you're good to go for days. If you're tired of the constant cycle of scooping and want to give your cats a cleaner, more private environment while reclaiming your own time, this is definitely the way to go. It's reliable, high-tech, and most importantly, the cats actually love using it. If you want to own the same product as mine